Hello, welcome. My name is Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this video. It's a video to accompany my Etsy listing that I have for this beautiful shamanic drum just here, just to allow you to come along and have a little listen to the sound. So this is a 14-inch horse skin drum. It's on an oak wood frame. If I turn it over, you can see we've got a lovely branch handle with some rabbit fur trim. I burnt some information on the inside of the frame here. I put when the drum was birthed, which was the 30th of July 2024. That's for those of you interested in the astrology. And I've also put in there the symbol for Leo, because it falls into the house of Leo. I put horse and oak. That's the animal and the tree, so you'll always have that reference point. I'm a maker's mark there, Driftwood Hollow Drums. So let's have a play. I'm going to play with a firm beater and a soft beater. This is a firmer beater. Either of these are available to purchase alongside the drum if you choose this drum to be yours. Here we go. Beautiful. And then the soft beater. Beautiful. Okay, well, I hope the video helps by allowing you to be able to hear the sound. So it's difficult buying online, so that's why I make these little videos. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.